Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2437th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good day, traders. It is 108 degrees out here in Las Vegas, and I am not going into that studio and getting in front of a hot camera and hot lights. So I'm going to do a video like this, but I promise you this will tell you what's going to happen tomorrow just as well as me getting out in front of a camera. Traders, this is video number 2437. It's being filmed on Wednesday to trade Wednesday night through Thursday. That is July 14th, 2022. Remember, this is a very risky game. Risk, no matter what vehicle you choose to trade. Never, ever trade without stops. And put your protective stops in first before you even get into a long or short position. Traders, what's going on out there? All right, so for trading on Thursday, E-mini S&P daily bar. A couple of days ago, I showed you this exact chart, and I said, look, it's retreating. It's running away from the major resistance. It's retreating, and it started to retreat. Omni went full-blown sell signal, and Omni, thank the Lord, Omni has killed it for us this week. Omni, do it again for us tonight, please. So, it's retreating, and now look, we are below this bear flag. Big bear flag. Big flagpole. Then the flag itself, bearish formation. Down we are, below that flag, and what else? Below this average. Look, we're below the average, below the flag. Much respect has been paid to this average by the E-mini S&P along the way. Much respect. And it is now below that average. So, chart number one tells us, with the red Omni for trading on Thursday, we are selling rallies in E-mini S&P. But we're not finished yet, kids. A couple of more charts to look at. Dow Jones Transportation Average, that is leading the parade right now. Huge bear flags. Bear flags are flying at full mast everywhere, kids. I kid you not. There are bear flags all over the charts. So, huge bear flag, this purple thing right here. Look, flagpole into a bear flag. Down we are now below that bear flag. And, as you can see, the transportation average is leading the way, has broken under its bear flag after failing at the resistance and the average. And down we go. So that's chart number two and a red Omni for trading on Thursday. So we will be selling rallies in S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, whatever we can get a fill in. But there's more, kids. We're not finished. Look at this. Look at your NASDAQ. NASDAQ now. Same sort of thing. Look at all the times it paid respect to the average. Here, 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 and here at the top of the flag where the average meets. You find resistance. What happens next? NASDAQ starts putting in a downward move, and it tested the bottom line of the big bear flag today on Wednesday, and will likely break through that flag for trading on Thursday. So that's your NASDAQ. So down we go in our U.S. indices, and we've got a red Omni to agree with that. And then we've got this. For you fans out there of cryptocurrency, boo. I'm sorry. I'm a fan too. As you know, I am loaded up in crypto, right? I've got a bunch of crypto. There's a reason for that. Because I've got an 85,000 target for the price of Bitcoin in 3 years, 9 months. It was a 5-year target. Time is ticking down. We've got 3 years, 9 months before we expect to hit 85,000. The problem with that at this moment in time is I've got to suffer through this nasty down move. Because I've got to sit tight like a fund manager and wait for my target. 3 years, 9 months, 85,000. In between, we've got this. Look at this blue bear flag. Inside this rectangle, you got a blue bear flag. In fact, let's do this for now. Let's tone down that average so that you don't really see it. We'll bring that back at the end, okay? So remind me to make that a little deeper at the end. I'm talking to myself, not you. All right, so inside this rectangle, blue bear flag, look at the result. Then goes into a much grander red or this purple bear flag. And look at result. Now into a smaller blue, bear flag. This is bear flag central, kids, I'm telling you. And look at the result. And here we are now with another bear flag. That will be, not should be, that will be our result. Even if it doesn't happen on Thursday, Bitcoin's going lower. Don't worry about the target. That's a long time from now, kids. Let's get that out of our view. And for now, downside coming. Then, of course, you grab the average that's being used by Wall Street right now, and we don't care what that average is. We just want to take a look at it. In fact, let's make it a little darker so everyone can see it. And we are also well below the average, which tends to keep Bitcoin in check. So there it is, kids. That's what I've got for trading tomorrow, Thursday. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Please join, like, and share. Make sure that you take a moment, subscribe to these videos if you don't mind, like and share them around the internet, but most important, find me in my live trading room. It is at livewithoscar.com. There are no credit cards required, and you can join me day and night as I share my knowledge for free in my live trading room. Join me there. Then, traders, remember this. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be careful out there. Put your stops in first, and I will see you in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com.